713 Touro, affectionately known as the place where babies come from, is celebrating its 100th anniversary of delivering babies. It's also the longest running hospital in New Orleans. Here to talk about the milestone, the big milestone, is obstetrician gynecologist from Touro, LCMC Health, Dr. Stacey Holman. Dr. Holman, good morning and thanks for being with us.
Good morning. Thanks for having me.
Of course. So 100 years of maternal health here in the New Orleans area. I know a lot has happened in 100 years, but kind of give us a little bit of an overview of what all Touro has done during that time.
Yeah, so Touro's been open since the 1850s, right? And back in the 1850s, most babies were born at home. And in 1922, we started to deliver babies here in the hospital. And since then, we've rapidly increased our maternal child services here at Touro. And we currently deliver about 2,500 babies a year here. I think I've been here training and also as a faculty physician for LSU Health for almost 20 years now. And to watch the numbers climb and the acuity of patients continue to increase, and our maternal fetal medicine specialists on board to help us care for those high-risk patients has really been a place that we've moved forward.
And Dr. Holman, you said you've been there for about 20 years now. In 20 years, a lot has changed, and I'm sure even in the last 2 years, things have changed. What new services or what updated services, facilities are now there for the women in the community?
Yes, I think one of our priorities has really been to expand our services out into our own communities in New Orleans and the surrounding areas. And Touro has really done a great job about placing community resources within the communities that our patients live in. So for prenatal services, you can go from Metairie, the East Bank, the West Bank, New Orleans East, Uptown, and really allowing patients to get the care that they need in the place that they live, I think has been a really important part of what we do. The other piece of this has really been moving forward with our Birth Ready designation, Birth Ready Plus designation, that says that we are doing all of the things that we need to do for standard of care, but also in the safest way possible for our patients. And we've spent a lot of time and work around that.
Dr. Holman, I know obviously a big anniversary, a big milestone you guys are marking here. So clearly there has to be a celebration. It's New Orleans after all. So tell us about the celebration coming up this weekend.
Yeah, so we've been excited about this all week on labor and delivery in our areas in the hospital. But on Saturday, there's a community event on the corner of Britannia and Louisiana from 10 o'clock to 2 o'clock, and that's on Saturday, December 3rd. There's going to be activities for kids and families and music and great food and an opportunity for our community to really come and celebrate close to our hospital. And I think for people who are saying, why should I go? Celebrate if you're a Touro mom, celebrate if you're a Touro family and have Touro babies like I do. Or if you're not sure where you want to have your baby, come and check us out and see how we are bringing our community into the care that we provide to our patients.
And that sounds like a great opportunity for people to talk to doctors, talk to the nurses there, talk to the staff, and not be in necessarily a hospital setting. That might be a better place to have those conversations, honestly, right?
I think so too. I think a laid-back space in the way that we do things in New Orleans to celebrate will be a really great opportunity for us to showcase what we're doing here at Touro.
Give us the details on that celebration again one more time, please.
Sure. Saturday, December 3rd from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. And it's going to be outside on the corner of Britannia and Louisiana. So,
well, Dr. Holman, thank you so much for your time this morning, and thank you, Touro, for being the place where babies come from here in the New Orleans area. We appreciate your time this morning.
No problem. Thanks so much for having me.